How to remove the rear bumper from a 991.1 Porsche 911. Okay, turn on your car, press the spoiler button up, turn off the car. Using a T30 Torx socket, we're gonna go ahead and remove 4 of these bolts right here that are underneath the spoiler. I'm gonna get an extension. And right here on the left headlight, we're gonna pull up on this little panel. And it's gonna expose some bolts. And we're now gonna remove these 2 bolts right here, and they're a T25, so let's go ahead and do that. And this is gonna allow the tail light to come out. That sounded kind of rough. So it's time for us to remove the tail light, and what we did is we provided some painter's tape down here. This is optional, but this is just gonna allow us to protect the area. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just gently pull back on it. And there's gonna be a connector. The connector's right here. And what I did is I pushed down with my index finger and I pulled up on this tab and pulled it out. And we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna pull up on this tab as well. This one came off pretty easy. And we're gonna take off these 2 bolts with the T25 as well. If you hear that, that sounds kind of intense, but nothing broke. Ooh. Oh. And now we're gonna pull out this tail light. Holding the tail light, I'm gonna get my finger again, push down on the button, if I can find it, and pull out. Ooh, this one's tough. All right, this one's a little bit stuck, so I'm gonna go get a tool. Underneath the car, we're gonna have a few of them right here, and then another one right here. We're gonna take those off. And now underneath on the other side, we have one right here and then one over there. Let's get those off. So there's 3 bolts on each side of the bumper. We have 1, 2, and then 3. And what I have is I have a regular size ratchet and an extension and an adapter. And it's a perfect size. You don't have to remove the wheel. And now we're gonna take off this top bolt. And the top bolt is right here. All right. So we're down to our last 2 bolts, and if you look, they're silver, but I want you to see what's next to them. This is the tab that's gonna be pretty much holding the bumper, and when we pull it out, we're gonna have to go over it. So using our T30, we're gonna go ahead and loosen the silver bolt. Okay, it's time to remove the bumper. We're gonna pull on this left side, and then go to the right side, and now we're gonna gently start pulling out, and being careful because of the connector. All right, I see the wire that we need to get. I mean, the connector, it's right here. It's a pretty beefy one, but hopefully it's nice. Ugh. Nope, he's not being nice. Ugh, right there. The way it works is you just pull on this and it'll pull out. And now I have the bumper and we're gonna slowly guide it out. All right, we did it. If this video helped you out, punch that like button, subscribe for more DIY and fun videos. We appreciate you watching. You guys take care. We'll talk to you soon.